What if you could expose data without letting anyone change it? That's exactly what read-only properties do in Python. To create a read-only attribute, use the @property decorator on a getter method. Write def followed by your property name, like balance, then decorate it with @property. The method returns the value you want to expose. Notice there's no setter defined, just the getter. This is the key to making it read-only. For internal storage, use a private attribute with an underscore prefix. Here, _balance stores the actual value, while balance is the public read-only property. This convention signals that _balance is internal and shouldn't be accessed directly. The property provides controlled access. What happens if someone tries to assign a value? Python raises an attribute error with the message can't set attribute. This protects your data from being modified through the property. Users can read the value, but they can't change it. That's the enforcement mechanism. Why use read-only properties? First, encapsulation. You hide internal implementation. Second, computed values. Properties can calculate results on the fly. Third, data integrity. You prevent accidental modifications that could break your object's state. To create a read-only attribute, use the @property decorator without a setter. Store data in a private attribute with an underscore prefix. This gives you safe, controlled access to your object's data. Practice this pattern. It's fundamental to Python class design. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.